Well, it's one of the biggest events for high schoolers, prom night, and it's always exciting for a family when their daughter is named prom princess. But for one Pendleton family, the crown has a bigger meaning.
I love the sparkles. It has a corset on it. I love the sleeves. I just love the design.
Rylan Milton is talking about this dress, the gown she had to sell cupcakes just to afford.
I had the biggest dress there.
Milton and her classmates didn't even think they'd have prom, but with hard work and help, they all pulled it together. And it's a good thing they did.
I was just in shock. It felt amazing. I didn't know I was going to be able to win, but I did win.
Rylan became the first transgender woman to be crowned prom princess at her school. She calls it an important recognition for the LGBTQ plus community.
I have faced lots of discrimination at my school from boys. It doesn't get to me, but I just think it's important to normalize it for people who aren't in the LGBTQ to just be like, hey, that's normal.
Milton's aunt says there's a native term used for her niece's identity, two-spirit.
If you were born a certain way, it's just how you were. It was an accepted thing so that they could feel that inclusion.
And they all hope people can work on being more inclusive and accepting of the LGBTQ plus community.
It's a lot of pride, and it's the fact that Rylan feels confident to be able to be who she is.
She's just a beautiful being. And I'm grateful to be part of that family.
You can do anything even if you're trans. So to win princess just meant a ton. Such a good experience and just feel like a princess.
A princess indeed. Rylan also helped organize the Pendleton Pride Parade. It kicks off tomorrow morning in downtown at 2 o'clock.